Good morning. Today I'm going to do a little bit of gravel. So we're going to be heading up. It's called the Allen. I've just filmed it. I can't remember what it's called. Allen Newton Way in Bredbury in Stockport. So just heading up that way, just seeing where I end up basically. But it's quite chilly again. And my eyes are so sore just there and there from the other day. It was just so windy. But I'm going to stop moaning because I'm glad to be out, glad that it's dry. I'm glad to be on a little bit of gravel. So I'll see you on the route. So I've done about 20k and this is Bollington. Just a really nice little quiet gravel path. And then this is like, I thought it was like a stone circle, but it's just, it's called Labyrinth. So it has been put here. But how nice is it? Apparently it's like you go in and walk around, you're meant to feel calm and at one with nature. I personally would just rather get on my bike, but I might have a little wander around in this little... Well, it's a bit gravy, isn't it? Like a bit graveyardish. Apologies for that guy, whatever he's doing in his garden. But, so, I've got the CGR, and I've just basically swapped out the wheel, so if I'm like just riding around, I've just got same wheels, but with 28mm tyres, whereas on these, I think these are 40C. So yeah, they've been nice. I mean, to be fair, I probably could have done it on 28mm. It wasn't that gravelly, but that is the setup that I've got for more of the off-road stuff. Very quickly, while he's not on the strimmer, I just swapped the wheels out, so I just have two sets. I mean, you could change the tyres, but these are tubeless, so it just makes it a little bit easy to swap them out.
Hello.
16.
Hello there.
Big dogs.
And
a couple of weeks ago, when she was even smaller than that, she was on the top.
Oh, she is absolutely adorable.
Russell and Poodle cross. Jack Russell's playing. Jack Russell's coming out before, wasn't it? Don't bottle it, don't bottle it.
So just riding along, and then just saw this little like drop down and just literally just sat. This is the River Goyt, I think. It's so peaceful. I think this is why doing the off-road stuff is nice, because you get to like little spots like this where you wouldn't normally do it obviously on the road. Yeah, that is what I'm up to. So having a little sit down and then heading on our merry way. Bunny hop. So that is the end of today's video. Hope you've enjoyed it. It's just a very short little video, just to almost just like as a reminder for me sometimes to go out and just do like a little short loop, because I know from the 200k video, loads of people like saying, oh, I feel so bad now, I've only done like 10 miles, I've only done this. And it doesn't matter, it's the enjoyment that you get out of it, and I've enjoyed this almost as much as the 200, to be honest. I do like doing the longer rides and being in the hills. I could have done them with a few more hills, but I've enjoyed it. It's been nice to get onto a different type of terrain as well. So I'll be doing a few more gravel routes. So in fact, if any of you know of any really good gravel, not too technical routes around Manchester, then let me know, and I will see you next video. Hope you're all having a good week, and yeah, I'll see you later on. doesn't get me in it. No.